Tired of diversity trainings that increase ineffective behaviours? Not sure how to reach those who don't get it? Ready to build groups that work collaboratively? It's time for Andre Cohen and the team at AM Horizons Training Group. Through innovative and interactive diversity education, personal empowerment and team building, they help individuals and organisations approach old problems with new solutions. Andre Cohen is a highly skilled community leader, public speaker, mentor and activist. He's become well known for his highly acclaimed creation of innovative and behavioural changing courses, both for the classroom and online learning. This unique curriculum includes diversity education, cross-cultural competence, sensitivity training and team building. Additionally, Andre has extensive experience in educating others regarding anti-racism by sharing skills that diffuse tense or stressful situations, which can arise in anyone's personal or professional life. Most of his clients include professionals needing continuing education credits, so when the student is ready, we are. AndreCohen.com and AMHorizons.com, where we nurture the seeds of change.